Did you know the US government once used an entire city as a secret lab experiment without telling a single person inside it? In 1950, the US Army loaded a Navy ship with bacteria and sailed it along the coast of San Francisco Bay. For 6 days, they sprayed a fine mist into the air. The bacteria drifted inland. It settled on skin, on food, on everything people breathed. The Army called it Operation Sea Spray. They believed the bacteria was harmless. They were testing how a biological weapon might move through a dense city. Nearly 800,000 people had no idea. So within weeks, a man named Edward Nevin checked into a hospital with a rare infection. His immune system failed. He died 11 days later. The Army never told his family what had happened outside their window. The documents stayed classified for decades. When they finally surfaced, officials said the tests were a necessary precaution of the Cold War. No one was ever charged. The city never got an apology.